Welcome to this mindful self-compassion practice. Take a moment to pause right here, right now, because this is your time to step away from the pressure of life's challenges and caregiving and gently turn your attention inward. You can either close your eyes or keep them open with a gentle, soft gaze toward the floor. What is self-compassion? Self-compassion is not selfish. It's an act of connection to yourself and to others. It's treating yourself with the same care and kindness you would offer a dear friend because you are your own best friend. Many of us were taught to put others first, often at the expense of our own well-being. Over time, this can lead to exhaustion, guilt, frustration, and even anger, resentment, and self-doubt. But today, in this moment, you are invited to offer yourself the kindness you give to others. This mindful self-compassion pause can be done anytime and anywhere, whether sitting, lying down, or moving about your day. Simply bringing awareness to the present moment can shift your energy. Let's begin with the breath. Take a full breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale fully and exhale longer than you inhale. One more time. A full cleansing breath in and a slow releasing breath out. Now return to your breath's natural rhythm. Notice how your body feels now. We often live from the neck up, thinking, planning, and pushing through. But your body holds wisdom. It experiences everything before the mind can process it. So now, let's invite a gentle physical gesture of self-compassion. You can either place one or both hands over your heart and feel the warmth. Or gently rest both hands on your face, the palms of your hands at the face. Or you can give yourself a hug to offer comfort. Or hold your hands together. And choose whatever feels most soothing for you. Now silently or out loud, repeat these words to yourself. First acknowledging that you're struggling. You may then say, "This is a moment of suffering," or "This is really hard right now," or maybe even "This is really difficult right now." Next, recognize that you are not alone. You may say, "It's not abnormal to feel this way." And many others have felt this way. This is part of being human. I won't always think, say, or do everything perfectly. And that's okay. It's okay to feel the way I do. Now, offer yourself kindness. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? Maybe it's kindness, appreciation, feeling heard or acknowledged, standing your ground, resting and having quiet time just for you, or forgiving yourself or others. And you can then say, may I be kind to myself in this moment. I deeply care for you. And I'm here for you. And let these words settle in. Now, let go of the practice and just be. No need to force anything. Just be with whatever is here. Take another full breath in and a slow breath out. When you're ready, at your own time and your own pace, open your eyes and gently return to your external surroundings. And carry this feeling of compassion with you throughout your day.